Hi students, today we are going to discuss very important reaction in aldehyde ketones, that is Rosenmund reduction reaction. So from Rosenmund reduction reaction we can prepare aldehydes. It is very important for board level as well as NEET, JEE and CET. So everyone please concentrate on Rosenmund reduction. So what happened here? We'll discuss. Acyl halides. Acyl halides. Especially acyl chlorides. These acyl halides are hydrogenated. Hydrogenated. Acyl halides are hydrogenated, means addition of H2. Addition of H2. Acyl halides are hydrogenated, nothing but addition of H2 over a catalyst. Over a catalyst, that is palladium on BaSO4. Palladium on BaSO4. Catalyst, palladium on BaSO4. So catalyst what we are using? Palladium on BaSO4, barium sulfate. So hydrogen gas for hydrogenation and catalyst palladium on barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. Let me discuss about this palladium on barium sulfate. Palladium on barium sulfate is a heterogeneous catalyst. Remember this. It is a heterogeneous catalyst. And this is we have for reduction, that is partial reduction. Palladium on barium sulfate is a heterogeneous catalyst. It is used for partial reduction. It is not or never used for complete reduction. That you have to remember. Palladium on barium sulfate. This catalyst well known as Lindor's reagent. PD on BaSO4, another name Lindor's reagent. Lindor is the scientist. He prepared that, he used that in the reaction. That's why it is called as Lindor's reagent. Lindor's reagent used for only partial reduction. It never gives complete reduction. That you have to remember. Next. Here I used one word, acyl halides, especially chlorides. What is meant by acyl halides? Another name, acid halides. Acyl halides, nothing but acid halides. What is the functional group we have here means acyl halides we are depicting with R C double bond O Cl. For example, acyl chloride. And this is the group acyl chloride group, COCl. And what the examples we are getting for like acyl halides means, you go for here I am giving few acyl halides. Acyl halides. CH3 bond COCl. This is we are calling ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. Next, like that one more I am giving here. Like that I am one more giving C2H5 C double bond O Cl. 3 carbons. Propanoyl chloride. These are acid derivatives. What we are calling acid derivatives. And go for another example. Here I am giving one aromatic ring. That is benzene, C double bond O and Cl. What is the name of this product? Benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. And here the name you have to remember that like this. See here, this is not benzyl. Benzoyl. So students getting the mistake always like this. Benzyl. This is not benzyl. Benzoyl. What is the difference in between these two means? This is benzene CH2Cl. This is benzyl chloride. But this is not benzyl chloride. Here C double bond O Cl. This is benzoyl chloride. Means acyl. Benzoyl. This is benzyl. C double bond O. So generally students doing that. This is also benzyl chloride. This is benzoyl. This is benzyl. Take care. So acid chloride or acyl halides we are using, and the catalyst we are using Lindar's reagent. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen, you know very well already, and this is the conditions we have here. Clear? So only partial reduction, this also you have to remember, very important for competitives. Partial reduction will be takes place in the presence of Lindar's reagent, not complete reduction. How it will be takes place? I am taking here an example. Go for here. First I am taking ethanoyl chloride. CH3 C double bond O Cl in the presence of hydrogen gas. Hydrogenated means addition of hydrogen, giving rise to palladium on BaSO4. Lindar's reagent. What happened? This bond is going to be break. One is minus, one is plus. And here chlorine minus, this carbon is plus. Simple. Let me go for this hydrogen plus and this chlorine minus. This will give HCl. Means we are removing HCl minus HCl. This minus will attack on this plus. Then you are getting CH3 CHO. This is we are calling acetaldehyde or ethanol. And what is the name of this reactant? Ethanoyl chloride. What is this? Ethanoyl chloride converted into ethanol. Simple mechanism. Very simple mechanism. Go for another example. I am giving here to you. That C2H5 C double bond O Cl plus hydrogen in the presence of palladium on barium sulfate. Palladium on barium sulfate. This is the reaction. As I told, this chlorine, this hydrogen bonded, this is minus, this is plus, minus, plus, and removal of HCl. Removal of HCl. Then we got here C2H5, C double bond O, C double bond O, and here one hydrogen bonded. This is we got. So what we got here? Propanyl chloride given propanol. What is this? Propanol. This is. Now I am taking aromatic. See here, I am taking benzoyl chloride. What I am taking? Benzoyl chloride plus hydrogen. Hydrogenation or reduction. Palladium on barium sulfate. As I told that previously, this hydrogen and this chlorine eliminated as HCl. This H minus, this plus will attack. Then you are getting benzaldehyde. What you are getting? Benzaldehyde. Benzoyl chloride converted to benzaldehyde. Like this. Very simple mechanism. Clear? Now, here one question I am giving. Look here. Now I am taking COCl, ethynyl chloride plus hydrogen giving rise to PD, but I am not giving BaSO4. So I am giving only PD and hydrogen. And what is the product you are getting? Here in the absence of barium sulfate I am giving only hydrogen, palladium I am giving. The product will not get aldehyde. BaSO4 absence, product will not get aldehyde. You are getting alcohol. What you are getting? Alcohol. So as usual, you are getting here HCl removed, no doubt. But palladium on barium sulfate, Lindar's reagent, is giving only partial reduction, means up to aldehyde. But here you are getting alcohol. What you are getting? Alcohol. Means hydrogen gas, catalyst palladium, complete reduction will takes place. So in the exam you are not writing BaSO4 means aldehyde will not getting. So hydrogen in the presence of palladium will give complete reduction. Then you are getting ethynyl chloride into ethanol, not aldehyde. Alcohol you are getting. So what is the role of here BaSO4 means? BaSO4 role is crucial here. What it will do? Let I am explaining that. Look here. If you are using palladium in the presence of barium sulfate, partial reduction will takes place. You are getting aldehyde. If you are not giving barium sulfate, only palladium in the presence of hydrogen, here also hydrogen is there, then you are getting alcohol. Means this barium sulfate playing key role. What it will do means barium sulfate make poison on palladium. Means this barium sulfate reduce the reactivity of palladium, then complete reduction will not possible, only partial reduction. Means acyl chlorides converted into aldehyde. Further reduction not possible. But when barium sulfate absence is there, then palladium work effectively, then complete reduction takes place, then you are getting alcohol. This is very important. You have to remember. What is the duty of barium sulfate? Barium sulfate act as a poison on palladium. It reduces the reactivity, that is the activity of palladium. Catalytic activity it reduced. Then partial reduction takes place, aldehyde you are getting. Barium sulfate absence, then palladium work will be effectively, then complete reduction will be takes place, then you are getting alcohol. So complete reduction alcohol, partial reduction aldehyde only. And sometimes they will give like this only: palladium on barium sulfate in quinoline. This is also same. This quinoline will reduce the reactivity of this palladium. And sometimes they will give like this: palladium and barium sulfate in the presence of xylene. This also will make the poison of this palladium. So quinoline given, xylene given, and sometimes sulfur also. These all make the palladium, that is catalyst, to poison. That's why reactivity, that is catalytic reactivity, will reduce and partial reduction will be takes place. So you should be very careful what they gain. Hydrogen on palladium, complete reduction will be takes place. Hydrogen on palladium barium sulfate given, this is partial reduction. So this you have to remember. So in organic chemistry, reagent playing key role. Hydrogen palladium, complete reduction. Hydrogen in the presence of palladium on barium sulfate given, that is partial reduction. Means this barium sulfate can reduce this reactivity, that is catalytic reactivity, that act as poison. This is Rosenman reduction in the presence of Lindor's reagent. It is a partial reduction. And this palladium on barium sulfate is a heterogeneous catalyst. It is not homogeneous. All acyl chloride or acid chlorides are reduced to respective aldehydes. Not further reduction takes place. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, put in comment box. I will clarify your doubt. Please like, subscribe my channel. Be safe at your home. Thank you.